Noah, come on up.
So I thought this meant what is 2/3 of 3/4, because when you multiply something less than 1 by something less than 1, you get what's divided, this divided by that.
Okay, let's take a look at the audience.
Look, I'm trying to clarify what you're, I think I know what you're saying, but are you saying like you're basically dividing it, but when you do it with fractions, it's multiplying.
So you're saying it could also be 3/4 of 2/3 as the same as 2/3 of 3/4?
I think.
Can I show a diagram? There's a cap. I see it as 2, 3, and there's 3/4, and then I'll do the other one. 3 or 2/3. So in total, there's 12, but 6 of them are shaded. So I think the answer would be 6/12. 12.
Okay, let's take a look at the audience. See, a lot of people are agreeing. Is there anyone that politely disagrees or is not sure? I see one. Remy, you want to call on them?
Campaign.
So it's not, I think it's 11, there's 11 shaded, but there's only 6 doubly shaded.
Oh no, I'm talking about 12, like in total, like every single square.
Yeah.
No, I know, including this one.
But then there's 11 shaded.
Yeah, but there's
But-
6 doubly
Yeah.
shaded, and the doubly shaded is representing both 3/4 and part of the 2/3.
Do you agree with that, Ann Ping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you just wanted to clarify? Okay, do you want to call on someone else, Remy, who maybe show a different way?
What else? And it would, in another way, can I show?
Sure. So what does 3/4 times 2/3 really mean?
You could just do 3/4 times 2/3. You would just do like 3 times 2 equals 6 over 12, which is also equal to 1/2.
Okay, let's see if the audience agrees with that, or if they have any clarifying questions or add-ons.
I mean, you solved the problem, but I don't know if there's a problem. I said, what does it mean? It asked, what did the problem really mean? And I don't think you really answered that, but you did get it right.
Okay, thank you.
I think because the multiplication sign can also, with fractions, it can mean of. I learned this last year, so I
Okay.
think she's trying to show that if you multiply, you're also showing the 3/4 of 2/3.
I see. So you showed it with a diagram and then also with a numerical equation.
Yeah.
Does anyone have another way that they'd like to share it? Come on up.
Really another way.
Okay, you just want to explain?
I think Mary just said this, like to clarify, like the of is also like equal to multiple, like the times. I think so. Like if you're in like a problem, like a word problem, and it says like 3/4 of the blank, then it kind of like shows that it's multiplication.
I see. So you're clarifying that it's okay that it's division
Yeah.
because it's the word of when we use multiplication. Nakash?
So, I think Noah said that it means of when you're multiplying a fraction and a fraction, but I don't think that it has to be both fractions. I think it could be a fraction and a whole number. Like if you're doing 2/3 times 12, it could be 2/3 of 12.
I see. Okay. Can you turn to your partner and explain this to your partner? Do both of these work in describing this problem? What does it really mean? Go ahead and turn to your partner, a group of 3.
Oh, yeah.
I think that both of them sort of do, but I think that
Because the
tape multiplication or it's like a tape diagram. Tape diagram. Thank you. That the tape diagram represents it more because she's got both of the denominators, which is a 4 and a 3, and then she's kind of showing that it's like 3 columns of 4, which is represents 3/4, and then 2 rows of 3, 2/3, and then it kind of shows how it is still less than 1. It's not adding. It's not making the number greater.